Hello students, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to study about the hormone which is produced by adrenal medulla. You know, adrenal gland is present on top of kidney. That is why it is known as suprarenal gland. It is also having two parts, adrenal cortex and adrenal medulla. Adrenal medulla will produce two type of hormone, epinephrine and norepinephrine, and they both together are type of a catecholamines. Epinephrine hormone is the one which prepares the body for flight or fight response. So if you see, it's produced under the autonomic nervous system. When the sympathetic nervous system is giving the sympathetic nervous system will be, which is a part of autonomic nervous system, will make the adrenal medulla release epinephrine. Then this epinephrine will bind to the receptors in the plasma membrane of target cell. And what is the main target of epinephrine is to prepare for vigorous activity. It will increase the supply of oxygen, it will increase the supply of glucose to the skeletal muscle so that maximum production of ATP can be done. So how it will do it? It will target the muscle cell to break the glycogen so as the glucose can be used for respiration for ATP production. It will target liver cell to bring down the breakdown of glycogen to increase the level of glucose in the blood. Bronchi and bronchioles will dilate so that ventilation become easy. Ventilation rate will increase so that the total volume of air inhaled as well as exhaled out is increased. SA node will increase the heart rate so that the cardiac output increases. Arterioles which are supplying blood to the liver and muscles, they will be relaxed so that more blood will flow to them. Arterioles which are supplying blood to the alimentary canal, to the kidney, to the skin and to other extremities, that will be decreased. They will become narrow so that less blood flow to them. And all this response will prepare the body for the vigorous activity. So skeletal muscles used during vigorous activity will receive a large amount of blood per minute, and this blood will have more glucose and more oxygen, so more ATP production. And that is why we say this hormone is also known as flight or fight hormone, preparing the body. Okay, it is preparing the body for by increasing the heart rate, increasing the blood glucose level, increasing the breathing rate. And this is the way how body is prepared for flight or fight response. So I hope so this short video might be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.